Okay folks, today we got a real sharp big truck, 2014 Ram 1500 with a Hemi. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Pop the hood, got the leather, got the step bars on the side, got exhaust run on it, 37-inch tires, got towing package on the back, spray in bed liner. Really sharp truck. Got some black and chrome wheels. Got the Hemi. Thing looks good, sounds good here. Got 135,000 miles. Got the push button 4-wheel drive, keyless entry, does have the backup camera, auxiliary, USBs right in here. Of course you got Uconnect, got Bluetooth. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like the dash lights are flickering. They're not. It's just the way the light reflects off the camera. Shits out like it should. Well, it did it right. It drives good, drives smooth. Drives straight. That's it, folks. Couple more looks around the interior. Really nice Ram, really sharp. Alright, if we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsautosale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.